We're buying drums today, and this is Kini Kiloruko Sakara.
Sakara.
Sakara. Name of shop. What? What? Oloro. Olowo Banishiri. What is the meaning?
It's only the highest God that is blessing.
Wow.
That's the meaning.
I mean,
Amen.
it's beautiful. Okay. So I've come to the right place because we want a sakara that was
Sakara talking drum. We have talking drum. This is the talking drum.
Oh yeah, I need shekere.
What depends on you in Tebafe? I need cowrie.
He's
negotiating. The one of cowrie you don't use to do.
Let me see. Oh yeah, you should bring it. I want to see it. Amoluwo. Hola. Prosperity. Beautiful. And this shop is in Ibadan. In Ibadan. What this area is? It's like OJ Market was down there.
That's OJ Market.
OJ Market.
Isaliafa.
Wow, Isaliafa.
Sure.
Okay, I got it. What is this one?
This one is Fokona Mono.
Fokana Mono.
Mono Samba.
Samba. How do you play it?
Joban Page, come on. Just to play like this. Like if you want to play something like 2 sets Agbamole Akuba, this represent them in case of heavy weight. Right. But if say a person is going to an occasion that he didn't want to carry anything, this one is easy to carry.
Oh yeah, me.
Okay. That's it.
I like it.
You like it?
Moferan, Opolopo.
Okay.
Oh, this is you making the talking
yes,
the dun-dun.
The dun-dun.
This will go inside it.
Yes,
wow, I've never seen that before.
Okay. This the dun-dun.
Wow. Thank you. You're
and
making
these
them here. You're making them here.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Though this is my father's job, I was born into it.
Well, thank you, Baba.
Yes, thank you,
Baba.
Yeah.
Yeah, you taking good care of it.
Oh, okay, thanks, sir.
Yeah. That one's big. You know, sometimes I see the dun-dun, they have bells.
Bells, yes. Yes, shawo. If you want it, I can able to put it there.
Wow, shawo.
If you want it.
So this one looks like Mama. Is that what Mama?
Yes, it's Mama.
That's Mama.
This Omo.
Iboni Baba.
The Baba is small. It's now gudu gudu.
Gudu.
It's like a ball like this. Gudu gudu.
Oh, wow, gudu nile me.
You have?
Yeah, baby.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But Moferan.
Mama, this is Mama.
Moferan Mama.
Hey, you love Mama because it's woman, ladies' day. Mama, that's Yalu. Yalu, yes.
Okay.
And this one, there is another one that is smaller than this.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let me show
that
you that
one. Is
too.
the gudu, Abi?
No, that one is on Omele.
Okay.
Omele, let me
Omele. Okay. I love this place. I love it. I love the music. Love the music. Wow.
I didn't have
oh, baby. That's the one that
Yes.
make the very high pitched sound. That's the high pitched sound.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That do me, but if you have pictures, I want but man, I didn't have lights.
That's a shekere. Here, you feel me? Hold it, Edjo. No, on me if I did wrong. Other way. You gotta do it this way because I reversed it. So just hold it like that. Yeah. I love these sounds. But they're like, okay, I've had enough of the sound. But what other color do you have?
So I'm sorry, I used to it before.
Someone taught me some small thing. I can play kekere.
Small, you can play small.
I can play small.
After you're already knowing now,
I can play
you know it
small.
already.
I just small.
No, it's not small.
Don't think
That's the way you're shaking it. It's like you are an expert in this.
I'm not an expert, oh.
You're not an expert, okay.
No. One day.
But that's good.
If I keep practicing, I'll be better.
Sure.
So I'm interested today in sakara.
Okay.
I'm interested in shekere, but I want to see more shekere. I want to see more choices.
More choices.
Yeah.
Because I get, that is one of cowrie.
Let me see it.
We don't used to do that one because that one is really traditional.
Right.
It's really traditional.
Where
it's
is
very
it?
sweet.
Where
I
is
can
it?
show you the cowrie.
Oh yeah, I know the cowrie. I know, no, don't worry, because wahala. I know the cowrie.
You know the cowrie?
Yeah, Benny. I know it very well.
Because all these rope now, let me show you the video.
Just show me some more colors then. Okay. Oh, Kenny. Yeah, oh. This is nice. This is tutu Joko. It's hot out there.
These are like there is varieties of color.
Yeah.
But for me now, I have just single color.
You just have that for now.
Yeah, for now. But if you want some varieties of color, I can help you to design it in any color you want. Maybe you want African color or Nigerian color or South African, anything. I'm very versatile in color.
Nigerian colors would have been cool. How long will it take?
Because I don't know the quantity.
Well, I only want one for now.
One for now,
Yeah.
okay.
So I only want one for now, and if I got one, I could do Nigerian colors. Green and white is fine. Yeah,
Okay.
green and white is fine. Eloni.
This one is 1,000.
1,000.
Abba. Hello, darling.
Ẹ máa gbọ́ àsìkò nísìn agbẹ̀tì wọn o. Ẹ̀yin náà lè lọ sórí
And we're on round one. Fight. That's how we do on these prices on this open market. Go ahead, Ifá-Òrìṣà. You don't like 1,000. 1,000. He say no. 1,000. Eloni.
Hello.
700.
Let me take my go. I'm not taking it.
Size by size. Checking fún yín náà size by size. That is one. Àwọn kan wà tó yẹ pé that one is of 500 naira. Very tiny one. And the one that is coarser than this self, ó tún wà. Tó tún cost jolè lọ, ó tún wà. No problem. No problem.
Oh, you changed the price to 800?
Eh?
You changed the price to 800?
800.
Okay, now I buy two.
That's 1,006.
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you for coming down on the price. It's Shazam.
No problem.
Oh, I see you. Eloni.
Eléyìí tí 1,500 but my fee 1,200.
1512. Okay. So I would take Meji Yati Meji.
This one too. That one.
This one will be 2,400, and that one we want is making 4,000.
Oh, yeah, me.
Don't you want to buy
What about
Well,
talking drum?
I don't want talking drum. This. Let me see. This. Omo.
No,
That's Baba.
No,
this
this
one is
Yalu.
That's Omi.
Gong.
Oh, that's Gongo.
Yes.
This one is in the middle.
Oh, I didn't know that one.
Okay, this one, maybe this one is the lead.
That's Mama.
Mama, it's a
Yalu. Okay, so I am only interested in Yalu.
You are interested in Yalu.
I'm only interested in
Okay,
Yalu. But I was not prepared to buy Yalu today. How
No
much? I'm just
problem.
curious. How much is Yalu?
Yalu is very it is in price. This one now, the last price of this one is 12,000 naira.
You know, there are some that they will put
Yes.
shower.
This one,
Shaworo.
this one,
I better get it. Who is that? That's Egbe. Shout out to Iyalola. That's where I learned that from. Iyalola, Egbe album.
Oh yeah, then no more.
this one, last price of this one is 15,000 naira.
15,000 without the
Without the, but if you want the shower one, this one with shower is 25,000.
Wow.
This one
That's
with
not bad,
shower is 18,000.
18. That's not bad. That's not bad.
25,000.
I'm just.
Baba, share down Candelaire and go.
I wasn't prepared to spend that much today. I have to get it another time when I come back.
problem.
And you know what I'm gonna do too? If I did, I'll be working it out for me, y'all. I'm thankful. So I'm saying, wait, Kenny Odukoe.
My name
Benny.
is Ayan
Àyàn Wale. Don't tell me. Àyàn Wale. Àyàn brings Ale. Don't tell me.
I shouldn't tell you.
Àyàn Wale. Ale. Don't tell me. Àyàn Wale. Àyàn brings home. Àyàn brings home. Àyàn comes home. Àyàn Wale. Àṣẹ o. Àyàn Wale. Àti Kenny Odukoe.
My own name.
Benny. Yes, no. Yes.
Actually, I'm not an person.
That's okay.
I'm his friend.
You're an important person. A friend is very good.
Actually, my own name is Biodun.
Biodun, like Abiodun. Biodun.
Like someone born on festival day.
Wow, your own son. Wow.
Odun.
Abi born Odun. Festival.
Kì í ṣe dé àwọn bàbá jẹ o. Ìyẹn ń ṣe ó wà ní skul léwu àlùwà. But Fẹ́mi náà ni.
So Àyàn Wale, you also have air on your shirt, O2. You got oxygen, O2 on your shirt. O2.
Like up to the
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Breathe.
The logo, okay.
Oxygen.
Breathe, everyone, breathe. Okay, so what I'm saying is, I was not prepared to buy Yalu today, but I think I would be interested in commissioning you to make me one and put the bells, put the shaworo. You should make this mama like you're making it for a royal person.
Okay. You know what? I'm going to use a favor. I want to do this. I'm going to help you to do real one. All these things will be pure white.
That's perfect.
Pure white, so that if you present it, they will say, no, this wow.
This good.
I like it.
And it will have the shaworo.
Shower toe will be there.
Uh-huh.
And I'm going to help you to keep this. Because I didn't have like this color. This is the only single color that I have. Making Nigerian color.
Okay. So I will commission you to make it.
Okay, no problem.
And then I will have yes,
to come and pick it.
to come and pick it and bring a deposit. A small deposit, just so you know I'm serious.
No problem.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay.
But
So you're making it like you're making it for a royal person.
No problem.
Very durable. Somebody who can
worry
really
about
play the drum, and somebody who's been playing the drums
let me-
for years. And like if they see it, they're gonna know if it's poorly made. They're gonna know if it's very well made.
don't worry about that.
Okay.
I was born into it.
I know you
I
were.
didn't go for appearances or anything.
Right.
I was born into it.
By your father.
By my father.
Yes. Thank you, Baba.
I love that. Okay. Do you want this shape to be black, or which color do you want there? Yeah.
That's a good question. Let's make everything white.
Why?
You know, no. You know the color for Egúngún?
Egúngún.
That burgundy kind of
Egúngún like
reddish.
Reddish
like a
something.
reddish.
Okay.
Like
You know what?
I try
What
to
about
see.
that's red?
No, that's too red. It needs to be like a blood red. Oh,
Blood red.
like
this.
but even more red. Like this car. Look, see that car?
Okay, like wine red.
Like wine
Don't worry about
red.
that.
Like wine red.
Don't worry about
Like
that.
a deep wine red.
Don't worry, I'm going to help to do that.
Okay.
Promise.
Okay. So today I get meji ati meji. Okay. And then I'm gonna turn this off, and then I will take some selfies because I like the drum in my background.